How to make your brain. Are you ready to supercharge your brain? Let's unlock its potential. First, feed your brain right. Healthy fats, proteins, fruits and veggies are the fuel it needs. Second, hydrate. Your brain is 75% water, so keep it flowing with at least 8 glasses a day. Third, exercise regularly. Boost blood flow, improve focus, and sharpen memory. Fourth, get enough sleep. It's crucial for memory, mood, and cognitive function. Lastly, never stop learning. Challenge your brain with new tasks and skills to keep it sharp. There you go, 5 steps to a healthier, happier, smarter brain. Enjoy the journey.